Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to do a new paint technique for me. It's called the Kiss technique, and this is inspired by Olga. I'm going to try to say your last name, Olga Soboleva. I hope I said that right. Anyway, I saw Olga's post on one of the Facebook paint pouring groups, and then I watched her video and I just was wowed by the paintings that she was doing. So I wanted to try it for myself. The concept of it, from what I can understand from her videos, is you start out with two sets of contrasting colors and you put them in the cup from lightest to darkest. So you use two cups, and I'm going to use turquoises and orange with red. Anyway, we'll see how that comes out. And in her video, she starts the cups with white in the bottom of each cup. So let's get started. Okay, there's what I'm going to call my orange cup. Let me do my blue or turquoise cup. Again, on the blues or the turquoises, I'm working from dark to light. And I know this isn't turquoise, but it kind of works with the colors. Okay, this is like a dirty pour technique, but we're going to put the cups together and pour them together. I just hope that my hands are steady enough to do this. So let's get started. Try to pour as slowly as you possibly can. I didn't add any silicone or dimethicone into the paints because I'm going for more of a ring look and I don't really want cells. I see I have some cells forming, however. I see a lot of bubbles, so I'm going to torch it a little bit to pop those. I forgot to say that I pre-treated my canvas with some black paint so that I can get this to move easier. Trying to tilt slowly. I get impatient and that kind of gets hard for me sometimes. Seeing some nice rings. I'm not really thrilled with the mess I have in the middle of this. I'm going to tilt this a little more this way. I'm going to stretch these rings out. I'm really liking the colors. Trying to move it back to the center a little more. The color looks really cool. I was hoping for a little bit more orange, but maybe next time. Okay, I'm not sure what else I can do. I kind of like this black negative space on the corners, so I think I'll leave that. I really like that. There is my first attempt at a kiss pour. Didn't exactly turn out the way I wanted it to turn out, but it is kind of cool. I got a lot of rings for sure. I'm not really happy with the center here where my paint kind of ended up coming off out of the cup in drops. Not happy with that, but it's my first time and I do love the color. I have a lot of color in here. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Stay tuned for close-ups. I'll see you next time. Bye.